Welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Today we're going to discuss some forecasting with Mr. Gann, and let's just jump right into it. Thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading Gann researcher in scientific and analytical reporting. This here, we will be talking about Mr. Gann's forecasting document that he sold for $2,500 in 1939, which is worth about 53,000 US today. Let's just zero in on what I'm about to talk about. We're going to be discussing the bull and bear years for the calendar. Mr. Gann stated the number 3 year starts a bear year, but the rally from the second year may run to March or April before a culmination, or more importantly, a decline from the second year, which we had, may run down and make bottom in February or March. Okay? February, March. When you are making forecasts annually, you're comparing 2023, you need to use all the years that end in 3 in the 10-year cycles, including the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and all the way up. The further you go back, the better and more credible all your material is, because you'll have a lot more to pinpoint and zero in on. So Mr. Gann, when looking at the 1933, he would look at 1903, 1913, 1923, etc. I hope you enjoy these types of tutorials. I put a lot of work into providing the esoteric knowledge that you are in fact searching for. I'm the holder of all the forecasting materials that I have purchased from the Lambert Gann. You can go ahead and purchase those as well. I'd be delighted if you would do so, because the more people that study this esoteric work, the better off your forecasting will be. Peace and love to all of you. Safe trading, and good luck on making your or great energy I'm sending you to make your forecasts. My words are charged with the power of prosperity. Take heed. Peace and love. Safe trading. Tear my tutorials to pieces. Share them with your colleagues. Peace and love.